Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone unavailable with no forgot passcode option on the screen. Fix 1. Fix iPhone unavailable with iSunshare iPhone Unlocker. First, you should get iTunes installed on the computer. iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius is designed to remove iPhone multiple types of lock screen, can help fix the iPhone unavailable screen, and restore it to factory settings. Just download it on the official website, then install it on the computer. Now open the software. Click Unlock Lock Screen option. Hit the Start button. Connect your iPhone to the computer. It is better to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Click the Next button. Download firmware. Check the note message. Then click Unlock to remove the iPhone unavailable lock screen. Just wait for minutes. Your iPhone unavailable screen disappears. You do a great job. Fix to fix iPhone unavailable no forgot passcode option via iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer and make it enter recovery mode. Open iTunes on your computer. You got the prompt to ask you update or restore the iPhone. Click Restore. Click Restore and Update to confirm. Well, iTunes is downloading the firmware package and restoring the iPhone to factory settings. Your iPhone has been restored to factory settings. And it restarts on the Hello screen. That is to say, the iPhone unavailable screen with no forgot passcode option is fixed. Fix 3. Fix iPhone unavailable no forgot passcode option via iCloud. Get any device and log into iCloud.com. Sometimes, you may encounter the two-factor authentication during the login process. OK, click the Find My option. Well, select the unavailable iPhone. Click the Erase this device option. Hit the Next button. Enter the Apple ID password to continue. Hit the Next and then the Erase button. You will get an erased iPhone in the end. Fix iPhone unavailable. No forgot passcode option via Find My app. Get another available iPhone or iPad. Open the Find My app. Then sign in your Apple ID. OK, select your locked iPhone from the list. Swipe up and click on Erase this device option. Tap the Continue button. Tap Erase on the top right corner. OK, enter the Apple ID password. See, the unavailable iPhone is being erased. Now you can set up the iPhone in your preference. That's all for the video.